Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time, welcome and thank you for clicking on my video. Today I'll be sharing with you how to make carrot pumpkin juice. Off camera, I had already peeled and washed the pumpkins and the carrot, so now I am cutting them into smaller pieces. Carrots contain vitamin A and vitamin C, which are very beneficial for our body. It promotes good immune system. It's also good for our skin and our hair. Vitamin A is also found in pumpkin, and I'm telling you guys, it goes well with the carrot. So you will be getting the nutrient from both of these food. So what a way to combine these two food to make a delicious and nutritious juice. So guys, here I am cutting up the carrots. And you just want to cut them into small pieces where you know that it's not going to be hard to cook. Now I'm moving on to the pumpkin, guys. I'm using about half pound of pumpkin. Okay guys, so now I have completed cutting up my pumpkin and carrots, and what I'm gonna do now guys, I'm gonna add this to a pot of boiling water. So guys, I'm gonna allow this now to cook until the carrots and the pumpkins are soft and tender. If you have cinnamon stick or cinnamon leaves, you can add it to the pot as well for extra flavoring. So the carrots and pumpkin, they have been cooking for about 10 minutes now. So what I'm gonna do, I am checking to see if they are soft. Some of them still feel hard, so I'm gonna give it some more time to cook. So maybe another 5 to 10 more minutes to cook. Okay guys, so now that everything is all tender and soft, I'm gonna turn off the stove and I'm gonna allow this to cool before blending. Okay guys, so the pumpkin and the carrots are cool, so I'm gonna go ahead now and do my blending. So I'm gonna be using my NutriBullet today guys, and I'm gonna go ahead now and I'm going to add my carrots and pumpkin to the NutriBullet. So I might blend about 2 batches or so. So guys, I'm gonna add some of that same liquid that was used to cook the pumpkin and carrots. So now we're ready to blend. guys. Now these are the other items that I'm going to be adding to the carrot and pumpkin punch. Some cinnamon powder, some nutmeg, a little bit of vanilla extract, and sweetened condensed milk. So guys, I'm going to pour in my milk. The amount of milk you add in, guys, will be based on how sweet you want your punch to be. So you taste as you go along. Next, I am adding in my cinnamon powder, some nutmeg, and some vanilla. And I'm gonna mix all of this in, guys. Wow, look at it, guys. Looking very creamy and delicious. So now I'm going to add the first batch of punch to my jug. Okay, guys, I'm gonna go ahead and pour in my second batch into my jug. Wow, look at it, guys. Very creamy and delicious. So guys, there you have it. Carrot pumpkin punch. Looking very delicious, very creamy, and I can tell you it tastes great too. If you like this video, please remember to give me a thumbs up. Also, remember to share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching. See you in my next video.